Hi all, welcome to Chimpanzee Charts. I think I'm just starting with BTC hourly charts. So if you see from like almost for past like 27 hours, BTC is in the same price range, like $45,000. 45, it reached this resistance like 46,000, and within this vicinity, so within this area. And one thing what I'm noticing right now is like Bollinger Bands are getting skewed. You can see here what happened whenever this ATMA crossed above 34 and 50, it went up from 43,000 to 45,000 and eventually 46,000. Right now, since price is declining, the ATMA is trying to cross below this 34 EMA, and this 34 EMA in the past 5 hours it got supported for past 5 years. This 34 EMA got supported 5 hours, and even the edge of the Bollinger Band also got supported. This price got supported by in these two areas. Okay, now this candle, the previous 1 hour candle was bearish. Okay, and right now still we have like 33 minutes left in this current hour. So if we close below this 34 EMA, I'm little bit concerned that BTC might push back to the low 43 areas, or at least this needs to be get supported. This 50 EMA 44,958 needs to get supported in coming hours. um, but good thing is that for past 5 years 34 EMA got supported, and even most of the altcoins pumped. And uh, this is overall on hourly perspective it's good, but since we are having very less volume right now, people are not selling, and it is trying to create a doji candle. Maybe I can zoom it and show you guys. Kind of a, it's not a doji, it's kind of a spinning top candle. If there is a spinning top candle, it means that there are 50% chances it can go up, 50% chances it can come down. So it's kind of a indecisive candle, I would say. Let's wait how this candle closes, and we can trade based on that. If a candle closes bearish and price comes down, my first support will be this 50 EMA 44,950. If it again breaks, I don't see a support other than this one 43,700 mark. So that is with respect to BTC on 1 hour. On daily it's as usual. Okay, daily, as I always say, yesterday we had a very good candle, and I was saying in my video we should close above this 200 EMA. We did it, and even right now we are above this 200 EMA. It is a bullish sign. Unless and otherwise we close below this 200 EMA, we might need to think about our long position. Other than that, we don't want to worry about this. So if this candle closes below 45,000, then we need to think what will happen for tomorrow. Whether it will be a decline tomorrow. If it is a decline, it should support by, maybe I will move this resistance to this support, this area, like 43 468, where this 80 MA needs to get should act as a support for a BTC on daily time frame. But as of now, I'm not bearish on BTC. I'm bullish on BTC. Why? Because we are keep on getting supported by 200 EMA, and my next target will be, as I said, it is like this 47,000 mark, or I can increase this target to this upper Bollinger Band, like 47,300 mark. So that is with respect to BTC USDT pair. So let's move to ETH USDT. On ETH, uh, again we closed above this previous resistance, and it acted as a support yesterday. Today we are getting a doji candle. Still we have like 9 more hours to go. This 3100 mark is like a very critical mark. Let us check on lower time frame how ETH looks like. Okay, think this okay, ETH think people took profits on ETH when it went to 3,200 on last hour. Everyone took profits, and gradually we are coming down, and it got supported by middle of Bollinger Band last hour as well as this hour also. Still 30 minutes. If BTC falls, as we said in earlier predictions, ETH will also try to come and test this 3000 area, and if it breaks out, this so previous resistance should act as a support for ETH. This is with respect to ETH. Overall, the market is bullish since we had this kind of pressure sell. I would say there was a sell pressure happened in the last 1 hour, because if market wants to rally, people would have want to took profit, but people are taking profit at this level. So we need to just be cautious enough. Whatever longs we opened, just make sure that you are booking profits on top of that, and try to uh, make some money. So that is with respect to ETH. Let's see, we have any viewers. Okay. Next we will go to Kusama. Kusama, I think it went good today. Yesterday again we closed above this 80 MA. That is a good sign, and I think Kusama has still room to run. At least I'm expecting this 200 EMA target for Kusama. And Ichimoku is about to turn green. I think maybe next 2 or 3 days it might turn green and it will move higher. That is with Kusama. And ICP is the one I was keep on saying for past few weeks. It ran literally 80% since I was saying like this area, like $40, and this was my first target. And I was saying I don't see a resistance for ICC, so eventually it will go up at least above this red cloud. So we are getting a small correction. I'm seeing upward momentum for next 2 or 3 days for ICP. Even though if it gets corrected, I think it will be supported by this area, like $62 area. Let me draw a line. So this area will be supported. Even today it got supported. I think even though it falls, this will be supported, or this if it breaks below the 62, either this moving averages should support ICP. That is with respect to ICP. And the ADA, as I was keep on saying in my previous videos, it broke my 1.44 target, and this was my next resistance. I think I should have drawn earlier, but it's fine. It just hit it there. I think it's a green star as well, so I'm seeing a continuous momentum for ADA. Next target will be somewhere like this, 1.8. Still everything depends on BTC. If BTC falls, there will be a small correction, but we are rallying very good as of now, so that's fine. So that is with the ADA. Let's move to .USDT. Yeah, dot, I don't know why it is not. It's just consolidating in this $20 range area, 2021. I'm expecting this move at least happening for dot before any correction for BTC happens. If any correction for BTC happens, this moving average will turn down. So dot, I'm expecting at least this area 23 mark, and eventually 27 or 26 in future. Once we broke this resistance, will be in 26 or something. That is with respect to dot. Next next we can check link. I think today it hit at $25. I was expecting to link 24. I think it hit $24 last hour, I think, and link this still this 27.45 in play. So Yeah. So if there is a pullback, try to get in around $23 because that is the key area for link. It got consolidated for this area almost for like 6 to 7 days. If it comes around 23 or less than 23, maybe we can buy in and try to ride this till this $27 or wait for a correction, because if you see here, we are having, let me draw a trend line. Something like this, okay. mm, yeah, something like this. If link tries to break this trend line, uh, because this is like a kind of a diagonal support, so if this trend line breaks before moving to $27, we need to be a little bit cautious. It might come and test this 34 EMA at 21 1.18, again test this trend line and reverse back. So since price consolidation is always good to move the price up, so I'm just saying a worst case scenario where if it tries to break below this trend line, we might come down. But as of now, I'm bullish on link as well, 27.45. So if for everything needs to go up till all this day, BTC had a very good pump and we had some correction, that's fine. But today's thing, whatever happened on last 1 hour is making me concerned. Why? Because BTC needs to break this 47,000 area, okay, to move much more further. But overall, everything looks bullish. Hash ribbon is showing buy, and on daily Ichimoku, everything got turned green, and it is above the red cloud and above the green cloud. So all those things are fine, and uh, a small price correction, or I feel tomorrow if this candle does not close below this 200 EMA, I am seeing a target of 47,000 for BTC for sure. Okay, if this happens, whatever target I told for other altcoins, it is going to hit for sure. Let's check Litecoin USDT. Litecoin had a very good move today. It almost reached my 172 target yesterday itself, but today, yeah, because of this BTC indecisiveness, it is just above this 80 MA. I feel Litecoin is on 190 mark. It's in target, I think. I feel 190 is in target for Litecoin USDT. And let's check ADI. I think we check Matic. I don't know why it's not moving. Matic reached my first target, and I'm seeing at least 1.3 for Matic, 1.33 for Matic. Matic needs to move. Everything looks as of now good with respect to this. Was a little bit worry. Why? Because this is the place where we test this 50 EMA. This area we need to note because these are the type of risk which can happen on daily charts. But Ichimoku is about to turn green. So one good green day above this, closing above this resistance with the volume, I would say 1.33 is a target for Matic. So better wait for today's candle close for BTC and take a trade. Okay, that is with respect to Matic and Bcash. I don't know how many guys I was keep on saying for last 2 or 3 weeks. Buy Bcash on this crossover. $500 today. It went almost like $609, almost like 20% from here. I don't know who took the trade. So these were my targets earlier: 422, this one 479, and last target was 590. It just hit. I think Bcash can go up to 634. So that is with respect to Bcash. And let's see org. I got some requests to check on org. Not sure exact name it is. What is the exact name? Let's check my chats. We'll check on Solana and Band as well. Okay, that's fine. I think we'll check on Solana and Band. One of my friend he requested for one coin, but somehow I forgot the name of the coin. Solana, yeah, it broke this first target 40.858. If you see Solana, I don't see a resistance at all. This is all time high. $60, $57 is all time high. If this candle, this Solana candle breaks above this ATMA, sorry, not ATMA, this resistance with volume, like 10% up or 10% up volume, either today or tomorrow, this will give more confidence and people jump into Solana to make to ride this to all time high. That is with respect to Solana. As ribbons turned blue, and I'm seeing a sell pressure for Solana. Maybe it can come down, but let's wait and see how. Everything depends on BTC, as I always say, because this $40 mark is like very key area. Okay, so if I want to say correctly, 42.172 needs to break for Solana. If it breaks 42.172, I think it will be a very good sign. It might go to all time high. That is with respect to Solana, because Solana, BNB, everything is about Dogecoin, everything is about above this 200 EMA, and even ETH also now about 200 EMA from 2 weeks back. So let's take Dogecoin. Dogecoin, yeah. I think I was saying here to this was my first target and this was my second target. Not here, somewhere here I was saying, and I did. And my next target for Doge, if it pumps, either it will be like 32 cents or around, yeah, I think 32 cents is ideal. 32 cents is ideal. If I push for Dogecoin, I think this will reach this first resistance. A break above that will be like 45 to 50 area. Why? Because Ichimoku is turning green, and we closed above ATMA for like past 3 days, and I think today's candle, it's not a big volatile candle. It was in this 25 range for a long time, almost a day I think. So almost like 13 hours of time. Still not 15 hours of time. Still we have just 9 hours. If it closes above this area, I think 31842 is in cards for Dogecoin. Okay, that is with respect to Doge. Let's check BNBUSDT. Yeah, I remember my friend asked me to check about engine coin. Yeah, band. Yeah, the 7.5 area is like key. So keep on saying this needs to get broken, and 9.14 is the next support, I would say, next resistance. If this breaks, 9.14 is the next support. So first target is done, second target is this one. First target, either you could have got in this area or fine, or you could have got this band on this ATMA crossover on 34 and 50. Okay, so that's where you could have played this trade, at least like 50% profit from here to here, like 5.8 to 7.7, almost like 50% profit on band. So Next, engine USDT. Engine, yeah, almost like 50%. Okay, where if you took if you started with, you don't want to trade exactly by the dip. Okay, these are the places, as I was keep on saying on my videos. Whenever ATMA crosses above 34 and 50, first 34 and next is 50, that's the place you need to buy and see what happened. It got ATMA got supported all these days, like almost from when it happened, from 24th July to till today, and today's candle is closing about 200 EMA. If it is closes bullish, I'm at least seeing first target for engine like 1.72. Let me save this chart. Again, everything depends on BTC. If we are having a red candle and closes below 200 EMA, there are chances we will get some more red candles continuously, and again market can get rejected or supported by this middle of Bollinger Band or 34 EMA, and even this area is not supported, 50 EMAs and cards. Okay, so this candle is key. Same like BTC, it needs to close above this 200 EMA, so just better watch for this charts. And let's see, I think engine USDT covered, I think, yeah. So is there any other charts we need to check? Otherwise I will move to Nifty. Nifty 50. Okay. Nifty, I think Nifty, I think we got a doji today, doji candle, priced open and closed on same price. So we got a buy signal on this one, ribbons, that's fine, but I'm seeing a gradual decline for Nifty in coming days. Let's wait and watch how Nifty reacts to this EMA volume, and that is with Nifty. Let's see, we can check ITC. Yeah, as expected. This trend line, I don't know, like whenever we had this pump, I was saying this trend line needs to be tested. Since we tested now, if it is a bullish market, bullish scenario for ITC, this needs to reverse. Okay, otherwise if this is just a pump, this trend line is like the scenario is done, and we need to see how the market falls, and the target will be like 200 EMA, like $205 rupees for ITC. If trend line breaks and if it comes down, 205 is the price for ITC, and if this doesn't hold, we will be eventually seeing a decline for ITC. But if this hold, I'm seeing a pump here. Okay, we need to see how tomorrow's chart, but this candle looks super bearish. Tomorrow I'm seeing a downward momentum for ITC, but if people think that this trend line needs to be respected, and if volume comes in like this, I'm seeing a reversal for ITC. Other than that, I don't see any reversal pattern based on this candle. Okay, if this trend line needs to be respected, then I see a reversal pattern. But this is like a super bearish candle. But I'm leaning bearish on ITC. Let's check Reliance. Reliance Industry is. Reliance Industry today somehow, but we closed below ATMA, but we are still within this Ichimoku cloud. See, we can take a decision as of now. If since we closed below this ATMA, where Reliance price is not able to break this resistance, that is a bearish scenario. Okay, bearish sign. So I would say tomorrow also, if Reliance tries to push, there is no volume also. I think I'm feeling a decline for Reliance as well. Okay, so let's see tomorrow how that is working out. ADI USDT, I think I'm checked. Let's see, we have any other chats. Dash and bond. Okay, let's check Dash. Dash, okay, Dash USDT. Hmm, Dash also. Again, it needs to get supported by ATMA, but Dash looks same thing. Every altcoins are looking same, so it's like whenever we cross, this was the pump, I think, on 19th July, I think we had a pump, like massive pump from 140 to 180. uh, but people whoever bought this, they just I think this is a signal for alts, I think, because most of the alts started pumping on July 24th I think on this day itself, I think this one, correct. So think dot I would say, I'm thinking like a 2 or 3 days upward momentum or dot. I think 200 is in target, or this area. This will be my target. This is like 174. Since it broke this 174, today's candle also, it's not a bearish candle. Why? Because there is no selling happened for dot today. People are just this area got consolidated. This area is getting consolidated. I think people bought more of dot coins around this area, around 160, 165, 170. So they don't want the price of dot to come below that. Even though if it comes below, it should, I think it should reverse around 170. I'm expecting dot to pump. Still, it's on BTC move. I'm expecting dot to pump to $200 or at least. Let's check bond USDT. Bond. I think this is the first time I'm seeing this chart. Bond USDT. Since there is no volume on this chart, so I think it's a new addition for Binance, I believe. Let me check 8 hours, so at least we can try to see. Okay. On 8 hours, we had a pump like 32. It's kind of a reversal candle. It's a big reversal candle, but it closed in green. That's fine. And we are just consolidating for past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 56 hours, like 2.5 days. We are consolidating on the same price. So it needs to, I need to see the fundamentals of this coin, how it works. Better, I would say, better don't play with this coin, because it got consolidated for almost, let's see, in the same price. Okay, the $22 region, it got consolidated for almost like 30 days, I think. No, 20 days it got consolidated in this range, like $22, and we got a pump. Okay, that's good. But I think a retest is the place where we need to buy at least this 24. If it closes below 24, I don't see a, and volume is also not good. This volume is fine. People are bought in this volume, but they are not selling it. A retest to 24 is a buy signal, but this needs to get supported. If it's not getting supported, uh, I'm not seeing a pump for bond as of now. We declined. This is a rectangle, so we got volume and we got pumped, and it got supported by 32, resisted by $32. I can't able to take a decision on this dot. Let's see whether bond we have any other, in any other. Let's check in Gemini. We have more data. Okay, I think in Gemini we have more data. Good. Exact place to buy bond was on 20th July, where we got like signal that we are going up. That is like $20. We pumped all over. It got consolidated around this area. We pumped. I think, yeah, I think we can buy. We can buy bond based on this Gemini chart, right? There is a crossover of this 80 EMA around 34 EMA. Any retest, then wait. Any retest, then wait. I think just buy a small position, like 30% of position for bond. And if you feel it is pumping, if it is crosses above this $29, I'm expecting this the 32 are in cards, this area. I would say the middle of this area, like 33 in cards. The new wick. Yeah, dot as of now looks good. Okay, even the 50 EMA is declining, since it's a new coin. If if this upward momentum happen, I'm seeing at least 32 in target for bond. So hope I answered your question. Okay. Let's check gold chart. XAU USD. I didn't watch gold chart today. Death cross was on play. No, I think I'm bearish on gold. Today's candle is like spinning top candle. There is no volume at all. People are losing confidence. I think gold might hit one more time 1682, and a reversal from there is possible. This one needs to turn blue. This is EMA. Think I'm seeing little more downside for gold as of now. That is with gold. Let's check silver. Silver also I think it's same, looks same. Yeah. Silver looks same, nothing, no momentum at all, but we got a weekly buy signal for silver. I think people are buying the silver dip. That's what I see. People are buying the silver dip. Let's check for gold also, whether on weekly whether they started buying. Let's see. No, on weekly it got supported by this area, but still I'm seeing a downside for gold. Still 3 days more for weekly conclusion. But people, whenever the dip came, people try to bought this dip. Okay, that's why we are seeing a wick here. But if they again try to capitulate gold, and if it closes above this 1757 mark within this 3 days of time, at least people will get some confidence that gold price is going up. Okay, so that is with respect to gold, silver. If you guys need to check on oil, US oil. Oil, oil, I would say this is the key area. And this is the key area for oil, and we are making a lower low for oil. Let me draw a trend line. Something like this we are making. I would say, yeah, something like this. Okay, something like this we are making for oil. So it acts like, it looks like a descending triangle. I think it acts like a descending triangle. Okay, so somewhat like this. Okay, so I may oil may try to push this. It will try to touch this descending top of this triangle here, and if it breaks, well and fine, oil prices will go up and try to touch this as a support and again go up. Okay, if it is touches this and it is reverse, it is getting reversed back. Okay, so I'm feeling a downside for oil, like something like this. Okay, something like this, and eventually this target, this move, like downward momentum will be like 10% or 15% from here downside. So if it is like $66, it will be like $9 decline. So oil will be like $54 or $53. Okay, so that is with respect to oil. So any other crypto charts you guys need? I think we got new subscribers. Thanks for all who are subscribed. Thanks for your time also. So please let me know if you guys need any charts, and please follow me on Twitter as well as on Facebook. I used to tweet on Twitter, so you guys can get an update that when I am coming live, and try to turn on the notification button as well. It will be helpful. So I think I covered like 30 minutes of time. So if you guys are interested, try to share this with your friends and neighbors and family who are interested in trading, and try to learn. As I always say, I'm not a financial advisor or a SEBI certified agent where I can try to make trades for you guys. It's not like that. It's totally for educational purpose where you guys can learn from here, try to put it in your trades and make some like in-day meal or money. So that's it. So anyway, thank you all for new subscribers. Thanks for your support. Please share it with your friends again. So anyway, thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow, and if there is anything happens with BTC, maybe we'll just try one more time BTCUSDT chart. What it says. Okay, see this 200 EMA, as I always say, now it is like 45,395. Let's see how BTC closes today. Don't make, if you guys are in profit, try to book profits or try to close like 30 or 40% of your position. This 1 hour chart is key for me as of now. Okay, so if this 8 EMA on 1 hour, as I said earlier, see again this previous 1 hour got closed below this 34 EMA. If I want to zoom and show you guys, so you can see clearly. Okay, so it closed below this 34 EMA, and we are getting a new candle which is coming below this 34 EMA, and Bollinger Bands are getting skews. Okay, it is skews. If this is a red candle, I am expecting a decline for BTC. So next 2 or 3 hours is very keen for BTC. Let's wait and watch how it is trades. Anyway, thank you all. Thanks for your time. I think hope you got enough information today. In case of anything, please text me or comment in this video. Thank you all.